थानाय डिसेम्बर दाननि 4 सानमारिबा खरंनि त्रिपुरासा अफिसार मारखासी जमातिया ते किरण कुमार जमातिया गुलिकाई बुथारमरे सुकान्त दास आबादिमनु कितिंगै हास्ते गदांगै खरं थिसाजगै तंगो सुकान्त दास न जिसाकेबनो फासि रिनानि सानमुंतिये अमो हाइगना देश सासल रिसमो ब्लक बाय खबजा रतनपुर एडीसी विलेजब खरं थिसाजाखा आसामनि बान्दो फाइमानजाखा साब्रम डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइटिएफ नि भाइस प्रेसिडेंट सुबिन त्रिपुरा सब जोनल चेयरमैन जेकब त्रिपुरा रिसमो ब्लक प्रेसिडेंट मुकेश देव त्रिपुरा नकारी कुबनि आदौर आसामनि बान्दो सब जोनल चेयरमैन जेकब त्रिपुरा साका जेसाकेबनो सुकान्त दास न फासि मरनाय फासि रिया हनगांके जे सानमोर सानजमा गसि जागे हनके फाइना साला कतर सभा खालायनाय हिनि कक्साका
तिनी खरंनि टिएसआर बाहिनी अफिसारनि साखाव गुलि गय तिनी बुथार जाखा आबो बो आर्टिकल 12 बोसोर सुजाक दं जे बो 12 बोसोरनि सम्मेलन सुजाक दं जे सुति बियै सुति मानिया होय तिनी ब्रह्म डाइरेक्ट गुलि कखा ओमहाय ओय मानिया तिनी बसिनि ब्रह्म सैतखला बुथाखा आउनि बासिनि तिब्रा सारक बेलाय मकल मक्ति कलायो तिनी बाय आं सानि मुसुव तिनी कुबनि पार्टी तिनी सिनि लगे फाइया बागा तिनी सुनो ओ सिनि ब्रह्मनि बकल मुक्तिनि হুমিয়াং দমনি জোড়া নরক তিনি
ব্যবস্থা নেওয়া হোক যাতে করে আগামী ভবিষ্যতে এই ধরনের ভুল ত্রুটি আচরণ না হোক কারণ দেশের মধ্যে পুঁজি বা সোর্স বাহিনী না থাকলে আমার দেশের সার্বভৌমত্ব ক্ষমতা আমরা রক্ষা করতে পারবো না পুলিশ বাহিনী আসে বলে আমরা আজকে দেশের শান্তিতে থাকতে পারছি এইভাবে ভুল বোঝাবুঝি এভাবে অমানবিকভাবে হত্যা করা হয়েছিল ওই দুজনকে এটা আমরা রাজ্যের মানুষ দেশের মানুষ এটা মানতে পারেনি তার জন্য সুকান্ত দাস যেভাবে ওই দুজনকে গুলি করে হত্যা করা
Good evenings, my dear media friends and my dear all those are looking to me, the press, and I like to thank. Today evening in Ratanpur, we have done the relay of 2 armed forces died on before yesterday, Marcus Singh Jamatia and Karan Jamatia. For that, we have done relay in this Ratanpur village, in Ratanpur market, and we like to give the message to each and every one of this. Our Tiprasa should be give the voice, so we cannot go and help him, or we cannot go and see in his family, but we can give the voice of the Tiprasa in the every village of this small community of this Ratanpur. Villages gather in this market in this evening, and we have done many relay, and we have given slogan also, and many of our different panchayat, and among this 10 of the village panchayat had gathered and done the relay in the Ratanpur market through the press meet who have given us to show the social media, and we like to thank all these our member who have come with us together and give the voice all to Tiprasa to encourage. And we want to say that our CM, he didn't take any action to the who have done this shooted Sukanto Das. We want the immediately action should be taken by our CM Biplab Dev Kumar. I like to say that he should take immediately within 1 week of this month. We want the action should be taken because our people have every day and each moment have every day accident is happened, but no justice. We didn't find till now justice has not been taken, action has not been taken. Even we can see 2 days ago that when they have came from the fair, his husband and wife have attacked from on the roads at night. For that also we didn't get any justice, and many armed forces or many people of the Prasa were every day attacking. Even our sister or any auntie uncle, when they have came to market or everywhere where they have came to the tuition, at that time also they have attacked. For this, government has not taken any responsibility. We like to say that government should take responsibility of this immediately. We are very sorry. Those who are ruling government and all to my friend, we have seen many places. Only Tiprasa is giving the rising the voice, but our ruling government or any other party of our Tiprasa, they are not coming for the voice. They are not coming They are not giving rising. We are very shy of them. I want to give the message to all the Tiprasa, whether don't issues of the politics power, don't say the politics. You should be united. You should be a Tiprasa. You should come together and you should be rise the voice. Because politics power, today it may be power, tomorrow power will not be here. Because don't depend on the politics power. Power will not stay forever. But your Tiprasa, your unity, you will be staying forever. And I like to thank all my friends and on press media. And thank you. Don't divide us, Tiprasa and Bengali. We are not dividing Tiprasa and Bengali. Because for Bengali, we have justice, and for Tiprasa, we didn't find any justice. We like to say that all rule and regulation, this should be together. It's not to be divided. What justice or what any justice should be not any divided. Because all we have support and we have bring you and we have give you the chief minister of this Tripura. You are the one who is our CM. You can lead. Everything is in your hand. Power, whatever you can do it. But this power you are not using. You are not fit to control this Tripura in our state Tripura. We are very shy of you being as CM, and you cannot take any justice, or you didn't take any rule, or you didn't take any movement of this action. For previous, from 4 years onwards, when the BJP and this IPFT ruling government came, from at the beginning, every day, every moment, every second, it happened. But we didn't see anyone, any kind of problem. It's not justice. Even we can see here many our Tiprasa Ampus, when they have died, only they have given only 2 legs and their mouth is closed. We don't like that. But if we compare with any Bengali Ampus, if one Bengali Ampus is died, it is given 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh. Why Tiprasa is not getting only 2 lakh? What is different? They are owned. They also running for the state.